Okay, so good morning, guys. How you doing all? It's a very special day, and that's why I decided to not document anything. Before you ghost me, let me tell you. Today, I'm joining the Full Stack Editor. In case if you don't know what Full Stack Editor is, it is a community built for video editors, motion designers, people like you and me from all over the world. And it's a $1,200 per year community, and I'm putting my own money to test it out. I'm not going to document anything. Yeah, obviously, I'm going to record videos privately. I'm going to let you guys know everything about Full Stack Editor. If it's worth it to put $1,200 a year in a community like this, I'm going to let you guys know everything, the pros, the cons, literally everything. And obviously, you expect me to be very transparent, and I am going to be very transparent with you guys because I'm putting my own money. Yes, and yeah, we'll find it out. I'm going to update you guys regularly, maybe in a week, can be in a month. Let's find it out. Thanks for watching this video. As always, I'm watching you from afar and I'm rooting for you.